In this quick video, we're going to look at how to manage schedules in Veryfi. The first thing we're going to need to do is make sure that we have access to schedules set up in our company. So in this company settings tab, we just need to make sure that track customers and projects as well as track timesheets is enabled. Now, we also need to make sure that we have some customers set up in the system. I have 4 here, and also some projects. And there's 3 that are assigned to some of these customers. Now, one thing to note here is on these projects, I have different team members set up for different projects, and we're going to notice how that affects the schedules. So let's go to the schedules now. And here we can see that we already have a couple of schedules set up. So let's go ahead and create a couple more. Let's say we've got a schedule that we want to set up for 3 a.m. until 6 a.m. on Monday. It'll be a one-off schedule. As we can see, it's Monday the 26th. These are the start and end times. But let's adjust this one to 7:30 a.m. instead of 6. Now, customer and project, let's assign SM Office Rebuild. Job cost code is optional in this case. I'm just going to I'm going to set up this general requirements one, and let's do general cleanup, and we'll assign Frank and Gary to this particular schedule. And here we go, we click save, and here is the new schedule. So that was an example of a one-off schedule. Let's create a repeating one. So let's click into here. Let's make it 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. And we'll assign this one to Hidden Garden Repaint. We'll leave job cost code alone. Now, one thing that we missed is we need to switch this to repeating. So let's do that, and we'll make it repeat on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So starting from the 26th, it'll be 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on every one of these days, and it'll finish on, let's make it December 28th. Okay, and this one could just be repaint entire complex. For this one, we'll assign Andy and James, and we can see that Gary isn't here, and as we noticed before, different team members are assigned to different projects, and the ones that are not assigned to this particular project are not appearing. Okay, so we just click save, and here we are. We've got the schedule for the week, and let's go to the month view, and we can see this is repeating. Let's go see December. So it's repeating until the end of December here, till the 28th. So we have a few views to play around with here. You can always go back to today. And so we've also got some filters. Let's say we're only interested in, let's say, Frank Murphy. And he appears here. We can also choose a specific customer to filter by. Now we can also delete projects. That's as simple as clicking on the schedule here and clicking delete. Here's a little confirmation. Yes, delete, and it's gone. Now the other thing to note is the different colors. Each project will be assigned a separate color just to make it easier to identify on the schedule calendar. And that's it.